Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is April 23rd, 2024. Here's another daily analysis. Okay, we had a nice rally today as we see here in the chart. So daily chart, S&P 500, we will see that we just got a confirmation. We just touched base here on Friday's session, this demand area void range bar here. And then we just got a nice bounce. And today we just got a confirmation. Market, as I said yesterday, and also on Friday edition as well. So we can have a bounce. This bounce can stretch up. However, Tesla and Visa earning is coming. And I believe that when I'm recording this video, it's gonna come and it's gonna impact the index. But right now there is no news. We can go all the way up to here to 5120. So that's going to be very, very important area. This is going to be a breakout resistance here. So this is going to be a supply area. So from this area to 5150, I should say this is the area that everyone needs to look at it. So this area is a kind of like the situation that I'm kind of like getting into a potential a short position, but I'm not sure yet. I need to get more information about how market is going to react to this area. But this area, as I said, 5120 to 5150, that's going to be the area that market can stretch out. Tomorrow and also Thursday, we will have more earnings coming for big techies. So today, Tesla, Texas Instruments, and Visa, they're going to announce their earning after hours. So they should come up like very, very soon. Right now, I should say we will give market benefit of doubt. We just got a good reaction from S&P 500. So we stochastic, we got very, very nice over kind of like a sold condition, bull reversal to the upside, a dual back reversal to the upside. So IMI, this is very, very important. IMI for the first time since this rally. So this is the last time we got IMI signal as like a very, very oversold condition was October 30th. And for the first time, it got into this oversold condition and just rebounded nicely. So this means, all in all, when I see all these indicators, we are kind of like seeing very, very interesting signal from the market, at least for a daily perspective. So we can't just stretch out to the upside to 5150. That's going to be the level that everyone needs to pay attention, which is going to be another, I should say, 50 to kind of like 80 points to the upside. Moving on to NASDAQ, which had a fantastic move to the upside. So NASDAQ is going just higher and higher. It just reached out to our third target. And we just got a buy signal here on, I should say, yesterday's session. And right now we just see very, very nice move to the upside. It can go higher. It can go to 17,700 to 17,900, which is going to be the area that I'm looking for as a kind of like a reversal point. So if you see some kind of like a reaction to this area, you shouldn't be surprised at all. So all in all, I should say a day or two, we can see some kind of like a move to the upside for NASDAQ and also S&P as well. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow Jones. Dow just formed very, very nicely early optic momentum on Friday's session when everyone just panicking and selling their stocks. Dow gave us a nice reversal. And that's why we got into kind of like a hesitation that probably market just is showing a bounce just because Dow is leading and Dow is getting into important demand area. And sure enough, we just got a reversal from demand area. The next supply area is coming. Actually, we are just getting touched by this area. So the supply area is coming here, the 38,600 to 38,800. That's going to be the level that I'm looking for. Dow as like forming a top information for the next sell-off, or kind of like just showing us a higher low. So that's what I'm saying. Probably we are at the end of the corrective move. Probably. I'm just giving you a caution about this because I don't know yet. So potentially, let me go back to S&P 500. Potentially, we will see some kind of like a rally from here all the way up to new all-time high, or we can see some kind of like a lower high or higher low here, somewhere around here, and then getting back up. So still looking for confirmation what type of pattern we are looking. So the ideal scenario is going to be a lower low, then going back to the all-time high. But there is going to be a potential situation that this is going to be the low, and we shouldn't expect any further low. So potential sell-off is going to be just a higher low, and then moving back up nicely. So we will see how it goes. But right now, I should say market just have fantastic momentum to the upside, and we will give market benefit of doubt. Moving on to gold, gold just coming down. And today's session, early session, it was very, very negative. But short, actually, I should say, um, for those ones who have a short position, I should say that's going to be a good if they take a profit and wait for a bottom. Potentially, we can see a bottom today, but I'm not convinced yet. I'm still looking for some kind of like a sideways consolidation to here, and then reversal. That would be a fantastic buying opportunity to go higher high. So right now, I should say gold is kind of like in no man's land. I don't see any kind of like a good confirm. But today price action was pretty good. Like the shadow actually gives us confirmation that buyers are going to come back. Crude, sorry, before crude, let's go to silver first, and then we can get to crude. So silver, the same pattern here. Actually, it's kind of like a positive. So it goes all the way down here to oversold condition, and we are kind of like seeing a dual back reversal to the upside. So this is very, very interesting. We see silver is reacting very well after 5% sell-off yesterday. Today we got positive. However, I'm just waiting for kind of like another sell-off to 25, 26. Then we can see some kind of like a reversal. So that's going to be my spot over there. Moving on to crude, which had a positive day. So let me just bring the chart. Here's the crude chart. So we got into this important area. We just see here a dual back reversal to the upside nicely. And price action wise, we are in this higher channel. So this one, just to show confirmation, this one can go higher. I believe that 88 is going to be a decisive moment. If it goes above 88, we can see another higher high for crude down the road. But right now, I should say good reversal for crude, and we can go higher to 88 as well. Moving on to individual names, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin just reacted to this trend line here. We just got a reversal. So if Bitcoin goes down here to 50 to 52, then we can be a buyer. Right now, I'm just staying on the side. However, it can go higher without giving me a correction. Don't get me wrong. Bond yield coming down today, so that's why it's kind of like a releasing pressure of the market due to PMI number. PMI was very weak, so that's why a bond yield is going down. Treasury is uptick today, so just 2 cents up. Not a bad session. Treasury seems like holding the bottom here. This is my area as well, so it's kind of like a forming small bullish consolidation. We can see ABC up, however, it's going to be still in this bearish trend line, or channel. But if it goes above this 92 level, I should say, then we're gonna get to 93. Any pullback could be a bite by buyers. That's gonna be a reverse head and shoulder, descending to the higher price to 95. So looking for hold this area first, and then ABC up to 92. VIX smashed today, going below $16, which is fantastic. So this means still bulls are taking control, and we shouldn't see any kind of like a volatility down the road, at least for VIX perspective. Dollar index coming down, Dixie. So this bullish consolidation, if it fails to the downside, it can go to 105. Probably it's going to be a bounce, but after that, if it doesn't hold it, it can go lower. Moving on to Magma indicator, $25 uptick today. Good price action for Magma indicator. Still looking for kind of like a upside move to 1433. Apple, a nice reversal in this demand area, going higher. Amazon going higher as well, $2.28. All technology stocks did well. Meta just going higher, $14. Microsoft, what a move. So it just reacted nicely. So 1.52% to the upside. Microsoft earning is coming this week. I believe it's going to be on tomorrow or Thursday. I have to look. But this seems like this support level, actually, this white range bar supported a couple of times. This time actually supported very well. If it doesn't go to higher high, that's going to be problematic. But right now, we should just give it market benefit of doubt. Google just going higher, $2. Netflix, nice reversal candle confirmation. This is a very, very nice morning star pattern. Tesla going hard as well. Look at that. So after hours, it goes to 155. Fantastic move for Tesla. I don't know what was the earning, but after hours, market just going higher, $10 up. Fantastic move for Tesla. So I'm kind of like a holding option for Tesla. I should be happy for that one for sure. So semiconductor index, they are just going higher as well. So $4.79 to the upside SMH. After hours, it goes higher. SOX, the same pattern, 206 going higher. Taiwan Semiconductor goes higher as well. AMD, what a move. So $3.60. We just got our first portion of AMD on Friday's session. I'm looking for still adding more here, but if market gives us opportunity. Right now, we just see a nice reversal in this small demand area. So I don't know if it's going to just broken up this trend line or this is just going to be a dead cat bounce. NVIDIA, nice, fantastic move to the upside confirmation, still within this wide range bar. But if it goes above 845, I should say, NVIDIA is going to be in good situation. Texas Instrument, look at that. So even after hours, it goes higher, 172, 173 right now. Texas Instrument had a fantastic move to the upside. I told you this is going to be one of the best one within semiconductors. So Texas did very, very well in earning as well. Lam Research going higher as well. After hours, it didn't do well, but it's just keeping the price as is. XLF, which is Financial Spider, going higher as well today, just confirming that we are kind of like at the end of the correction. This is kind of like a V-shaped recovery. KBE, nice move to the upside, 45 cents to the upside. KURE, 55 cents to the upside, still within this trend line. So if it goes above 50 to 49, that's going to be great. JP Morgan, $2.67 up today. And Goldman Sachs higher as well. So Goldman Sachs hit a new all-time high. And also Bank of America, look at that. It's just going higher high as well. And here is Wells Fargo, just hit new all-time high, then coming back down. So $60.94. So I don't know if it's going to be just a corrective move within this bullish consolidation, but I should say this is kind of like interesting to see how it goes. Moving on to gold miners, which had a fantastic move, engulfing pattern to the upside, GDX, GDXJ, the same pattern here. Seems like correction is kind of like over for this sector. AEM, 65 cents up today. Newmont, 25 cents up. Not a bad price action, just gap down, but recovered the entire session. Franco-Nevada as well, going higher, $1.10. And also Gold Barrick, nice reversal here as well. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to the Energy Spider, XLE, had a nice move to the upside, going higher, 53 cents up. XOM, XOP, Oil and Gas Exploration ETF, goes higher as well, so $1.08 up. This sector, I believe that still can go higher and higher and higher. OH, the same pattern, just showing a reversal right at this pivot here, nicely going higher. If it goes above this pivot, I should say can keep going up to new all-time high. Exxon, nice reversal here as well, confirmation, and Chevron going higher, still lagging though, but still give a market benefit of doubt for this. So seems like earnings are doing very well, and I believe that this correction was just a shakeout for the market, and lots of people just panicking about the recession or kind of like a Federal Reserve monetary policy for the future, and they're not going to cutting the rate, geopolitical tensions. But all in all, that was good excuse for market to correct itself. Right now, we should see good correction, healthy correction, almost 6% correction for S&P 500, which is a healthy correction. And we can just see more upside down the road. Have a fantastic evening. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.